Why balanced nutrition matters for busy young adults.
Maintaining a balanced diet doesn't have to be complicated. For young adults balancing work, school, and social life, good nutrition supports energy, mental focus, and long-term health. Simple, mindful choices can help you fuel your day, manage stress, and build healthy routines that fit your fast-paced lifestyle. Let's look at easy ways you can fit better nutrition into your everyday routine.
Smart breakfast when you're short on time.
Breakfast helps kickstart your metabolism and boosts your concentration. Go for options like Greek yogurt with fruit, overnight oats, or a banana with nut butter if you're in a rush. These choices offer a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you full and focused. Even on your busiest mornings, a quick and nourishing breakfast is possible.
Packing nutrient-rich snacks for the day.
Healthy snacks keep energy levels steady between meals. Choose portable options like mixed nuts, pre-cut veggies with hummus, or whole grain crackers and cheese. Staying prepared with wholesome snacks reduces the temptation to reach for sugary or highly processed foods. Try to include snacks that combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats for longer-lasting satisfaction.
Simple ways to build balanced meals.
Aim to fill half your plate with colorful vegetables or fruits, with a quarter for lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or beans, and a quarter for whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa. This easy formula works whether eating at home or dining out. Balanced meals help you stay energized, then can be adapted to most preferences and schedules.
Healthy hydration and limiting sugary drinks.
Don't forget the importance of hydration. Water supports focus and metabolism, yet it's easy to overlook when you're on the go. Carry a reusable water bottle and aim for regular sips throughout your day. Try to limit sugar-sweetened beverages, like soda or energy drinks, which can lead to energy crashes and unnecessary calories.
Meal prep basics. Save time, eat well.
Spending a little time meal prepping can make healthy eating effortless. Cook extra portions to store for later, chop veggies ahead, or prepare simple grab-and-go lunches. Even pre-washed salad greens and rotisserie chicken can save you time. Planning your meals in advance helps you avoid skipping meals or choosing less nutritious options when busy.
Prioritizing sleep and consistency.
Nutrition works best alongside other healthy habits, like good sleep. Aim for regular sleep patterns, even when life gets hectic. Sufficient rest supports energy, food choices, and your body's ability to recover and thrive. A balanced lifestyle, combining nutritious food, hydration, and sleep, is the secret to feeling your best, no matter how busy you are.